Hey, superstar, this is your boy Wesley Virgin with another video here on Facebook, actually, but it's going to be on YouTube as well. And basically, this video, I am going to show you, yes, I'm here in my bed in Miami, but I'm going to show you basically how to make money or how to make $200 to $500 per job or per day with no website, okay? Hey, if you don't mind, hit the like and share button. I just ask that as a payment to me, right? Just to hit the like and share button. You don't have to invest in my programs. You don't have to buy my systems. All I ask you to do for the free content that I'm creating, and if you want me to create more free content, just hit the like and share button. First website is this, guru.com. Write it down. Now listen, imagine this. Right now, a lot of you just got fired from your jobs, laid off, furloughed, whatever, you quit, you don't have enough hours. Listen, if you have a bed, how many of you have a bed? You have a bed, and if you have a laptop or iPhone, you can do this. On guru.com, they give you the option to basically post your job, which is your skill level, on this website that people around the world can hire you. I hire 30 people per month on this website. So if you ever want to work for me, well, just apply and create a profile on Guru, okay? You may be great at programming or development. You may be great at writing and translation, design and art, administrative assistance, sales and marketing. And by the way, I'm looking for an assistant. Just apply here. I may hire you. Listen, it is no sense going out, looking and using the old guerrilla ways to find a job. Taking your resume to every company, going to monster.com, looking for a job, asking Pookie if anybody's hiring. Stop doing that, okay? All you have to do is lay in your bed, go to guru.com, sign up for free, create a free profile, okay? Create a pre-profile based off your skill level, and millions of people will look at your profile and they will make a decision if they want to hire you, okay? If that makes sense? Look at this. You go to find jobs here. Look at this. These are people right now that are looking for people to hire them. Look at that. Now I'm gonna show you something cool, because you must say, okay, Wes, well, how do I make the $200 to $500 per day or per job? I'm gonna show you. Just keep watching here. The other website is, and I use these. I've been using these for years, by the way. The other website is Upwork. Okay, Upwork. Upwork is another website where you can post your skill level. You post your job, or you post basically what you do. Okay, because you're going to be a freelancer. All right. And you choose one of these categories that you believe that you can do. They have a category for everybody. I know people right now that make 6 figures per year on these websites. 6 figures per year on these websites. And I think to myself, why do people keep looking for a 9-to-5 job, like making 8, 10, 20 bucks an hour, where you could be in, like, I'm in my bed, I'm cozy right now. You hear my legs? They're rustling under the sheets, right? It's cozy right now. Like, you could be in your bedroom. I'm in Miami right now, relaxed, right? Looking at the sunset or the sunrise, and you just can create a profile, right? And get people to hire you for the jobs. Does that make sense? Hit the like button if that makes sense. Give me some feedback here. You can literally right now go to Upwork and go to guru.com, okay? And create a job or create a listing for yourself. Like, basically, if you want to be a freelancer, you're going to be the person to say, hey, I do design work. Hey, I do graphic work. Hey, I can proofread something. Hey, I can write articles. Whatever you do, you can post it right here, okay? On this site. Does that make sense here? You got people that make a ton of money. Let me see. Look at this. Find freelancers. Look at this. $24 an hour. How many of you make $24 an hour? None of you. Most of you don't. $32 an hour. Look at that. $25 an hour. This guy made $278,000. He's from Romania. Come on, folks. Listen. Especially the folks that are in America. I mean, you got people in Romania, poor countries, they're making almost $300,000 a year. And you're telling me that you can't even make $50,000 or $100,000 in the United States of America? And the great thing about this, listen, it's for everybody. It's worldwide. You could be in India, Romania, Budapest, Spain, Africa, Nigeria. It doesn't matter. Okay? I know people, I know a 19-year-old right now from Somalia. He makes $10,000 a month just by posting himself on these sites, and people hire him all the time. Look, $257,000 a year this person made from California. $150,000. So that proves to you that people are making money from their home, okay? They're not using the old obsolescent ways of looking for a job. Stop going online, going to monster.com and filling out applications. Just go here, okay? Now, if I deserve a like and a share, I want you guys to do that for me, okay? Go ahead. Like this video and sub, because you know I just gave you value, okay? But I'm going to give you some ultimate value. Because you may say, well, Wesley, this is great. I love this. I love you. But I have no skill. What do? I don't know how to do nothing, right? Nothing at all. I don't know how to do nothing. How many of you think right now that you don't know how to do nothing? And I'm going to give you this hack. It's going to put a big, huge Kool-Aid smile on your face. Okay? Make sense? You ready? You know what? Before I do that, well, back up for a second. Hold one. I forgot this. Another way to make money right now is affiliate marketing. Okay? An affiliate marketer is basically a person that basically recommends products on the internet. That's it. That's all we do. Okay? I'm an affiliate marketer as well. All you do is you go to the marketplace. I do recommend Digistore. I'm on this platform. They pay very well, and they pay on time. They pay weekly. Okay, I go to marketplace right here, and you find an offer that converts well. As you can see here, I am the #1 product here in the world actually, and I'm grateful about that. We paid about $300,000 to newbies like you last month. Now listen, in the description below, I can give you more help. You might say, Wesley, can you help me do this? Yes. And I also have a free video right here. Let me show you something. Let me show you my free video so you don't have to pay me money, okay? Look at this. You see that? It says Digistore Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. If you want to become an affiliate right now in Digistore, just watch that video. It's for beginners, and you can start making money today, and it's free, okay? So don't ever say I didn't do nothing nice for you, okay? So now let me give you the last thing here. Listen here, that if you want someone to do it for you, let me give you an example. This is what I used to do, and I'm gonna share the secret for you. And if you feel that this is value, I want you to hit the like button, okay? Watch this. This is what I used to do. I used to go to sites like guru.com. Pay attention here. Don't miss it. Proofread, right? I'm a pretty good proofreader, I guess, right? Scroll down here, and I see a job here that was posted an hour ago, and it says proofread and edit 25 pages of content. And they were willing to pay $250. Like, this is live, by the way. This person is ready to hire somebody to proofread some content, okay? $250, okay? So you may say, well, Wesley, I know some of you say, well, I can do it. I'm sure you can. But some of you say, well, Wesley, I didn't fail. I failed English. I didn't graduate high school, okay? So this is what you do. You create your profile, you apply for the job, right? You exaggerate your profile, right? Exaggerate. Look, don't lie, but exaggerate, right? And then once the person hire you, okay, based off your exaggeration, you go to Fiverr.com, okay? You type in proofread. Write it down, please. Proofreading, okay? And then you hire somebody for $25 to do the work for you, right? No sense of doing the work. Find somebody cheap. Look, that's $10. See, I'll hire this girl, Emma, right? Then I'll go back here and get the job, and I will submit it to this person. They'll give me 5-star reviews, and then I'll do another proofreading job. Now listen, let me give you another way. Listen, if I deserve a like, go ahead and hit the like and share button right now. Go ahead. Because I know you guys are like, Wesley, I love you. This is easy. You can make, this is the money that you can make right now during the shutdown. Watch this out. Watch this. Type in article. Find a job, right? Look at this. You guys are going to share this, right? You're going to share and like this video based off this information. Watch this. Article, right? I'm looking for a blog writer. How many of you can write well? They're going to pay you $18 to $30 an hour. Do the math. If you're making $30 an hour and you're working 40 hours a week, 30 times 40 is what? It's $1,200 a week. Okay? Look at this. They keep looking down. I'm just showing you. Listen, I'm just showing you that there's other ways to make money on the computer online right now to make up to $500 a day or per job. Okay? Showing you proof. Look at this. Just to write an article. Listen, if I deserve a share, a like, and a sub, I want you to comment, Wesley, I love you. I'm going to share and like this video because no one gives value like this. They BS, they do it because I know them all. Look, write articles for a website. This person right now is looking for someone to do this for them. They're going to pay you $500 to $1,000. Hello? They're going to pay you $500 to $1,000. You can apply for the job. It's just like an interview. You just do it online, right? And then if you don't know how to write an article, what do? You just go to Fiverr, right? Go to Fiverr.com. They do everything for you. Like these guys do everything for you, actually. That's how I make millions, okay? That's why my return. This is why I can buy all these cars, by the way, because I don't pay a lot of money of people that do the actual work. Make sense? Okay? I'm a great marketer. I'm a great one. So look, article writing. Look at this. Is everybody paying attention? Hit the like button if you loving me right now. Let's go. Look. $25. I'm gonna write an SEO friendly article for you for your blog. Look at this. $45. Me, I just found somebody cheap though. Look at that. $10. I'm gonna write a health, nutrition, fitness article here, depending on what this person wants, right? So do the math. You find somebody for $10, you potentially make $500 to $1,000. Okay? And I used to do this a while ago, excuse me. And I just search and find things I can do, or get somebody else to do it for me. Now, if I gave you massive value, I would like you to hit the sub button, and I would like you to like this video right now. And in the comment section below, this is what I want you to do. Anybody that want to work for me, I'm a multi-billionaire, I'm an internet marketer, I'm a digital marketer. And if you want to work for me, create a profile here. I'm looking for salespeople, I'm looking for customer service people, and I'm looking to mentor people within these positions, which means is if I mentor you, it's highly likely that if you stick to me, you'll make your first 6 figures or 7 figures per year, okay? You create your profile and you put your job below in the comment description under the video. And if I find that your skill level is up to my liking, I'll hire you. I'm looking for blog writers. I'm looking for video editors. I'm looking for a lot of people right now. Okay. Hey, any questions for me? Hey, I love you guys so much. Listen, this is Wesley $1 billion Virgin, and I'm making a ton of money using these techniques that I'm giving to you during the pandemic. Listen. You don't have to be poor. You don't have to be a loser. You don't have to complain about the COVID virus that's affecting you financially. And you don't have to wait for a check from the government. Get off your butt, open your laptop, open your iPhone, open your Android, go to Guru, go to Upwork, apply for jobs online, get hired, and start getting paid. Hey guys, I would deserve a like and a share. I love you guys so much. This is Wesley $1 billion Virgin. Let's go!